With 911R here, and we have this 32 Ford hot rod that is ending up in a couple hours. So I thought I'd do just a quick little video. You know, if you haven't gone through and read all the comments and all the description on this car, you'll see how special this car. This car was built after Vic Edelbrock Sr.'s old number 3 hot rod race car that went to 121 miles an hour on the lake beds. This car is done by Brizio. It was commissioned by Vic Edelbrock Jr., again, as a homage to the old number 3 car. It's all Ford steel chassis, has a beautiful flathead V8 in it with Edelbrock's parts all over it, obviously. We get the heads and the intake, the triple Strombergs, header exhaust, all the neat stuff on it. This car's been lots and lots of shows, lots of magazines. It was at Deuce Days. I mean, it's just really one of the most iconic 32 Fords probably on the planet. So it's really going to be a neat add to anybody's collection and whatever they're looking forward to, to do. Anyway, really, it's just a showstopper. You know, it's got the cool rumble seat, the tall tires, the big stance, the full fenders. Just, an exquisite paint job. This is going to be really a gem for somebody's collection. Any questions, use the contact seller button. We're happy to get shipping quotes, or if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, hit us up. We'd be happy to talk about what you might have. But again, good luck on this 32. We're going to be sad to see this one go. It's been really fun to have it around the showroom and drive it around. It's a great one. Thank you.